In today's video, we are going to make matcha tea. We are going to use keto matcha, and this is what I'm going to use today. I just love the ingredients in here and then the health benefit that comes out of it. And this is 100% Japanese matcha, and we are going to use that right away. And first thing we're going to do is I am going to add a very hot water. Oh wow, you can hear how hot the water is. I'm going to pour that in here. Just half glass of that. So we're gonna use 1.5 cup of water, hot water mixed with milk. And then what I'm gonna do is I am going to take this apart, just cut it, and I'm gonna pour this in the water, and I'm going to stir this. I'm gonna make sure it's all dissolved nicely. And you always want to use a very hot water. You can use it as a cold, you can use cold if you want, cold tea. But today we're just making hot tea. Just make sure we mix all these together nicely. Everything dissolves well. And you can just smell the matcha. Have a good smell to it. And it's dissolving nicely. Just have to give it a few minutes of a stir to make sure that everything is dissolved. If you have a shaker, you can put this in a shaker and shake it to mix everything together nicely. I don't have a shaker at hand, so this is the easiest way you can do this, and everything is mixing nicely. Okay. As you can see, everything is dissolving. Don't have much in here. See that one there? Make sure you have it all mixed nice. Okay. Alright, nice. Now that our matcha mix, it has been all mixed up with the hot water, what I'm going to do is I am going to pour this in here. That looks so lovely and it smells so good as well. Now we are going to add 1 cup of milk, and I want to have a frost milk. I do not have a shaker, so all I do is I put this in a cup, a little jar, and I'm going to shake this in a little jar, and I'll just shake it to get the frost that I want. If you have the frost shaker, you can use that as well. If you do not, just do it simple as this. You can see I'm just shaking this to make the frost, make my milk frosted. Now you can see our frost milk frosted nicely, and then I'm just going to pour this in here. Then once you did that, you are just going to make a little design like that, just like that. Then you have your matcha is ready. So as you can see, we have our lovely matcha tea ready, and this is very healthy, and you can try this yourself. It doesn't take much, just a regular tea that you make at home. You can choose to do only milk, or you can choose to do only cold water or hot water. That's all up to you, and you have your tea ready to drink. And I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and as always, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you on my next one. Take care, and I hope you enjoy your matcha tea. See you on my next video. Bye bye.